Good morning, students. Today we will perform lab activity. In this lab activity, we will create an invitation letter in the main documents. Okay, and these invitation letters are: your school is organizing an inter-school computer quiz. You are a member of the school quiz club. Hence, your teacher has asked you to create an invitation letter to seek participation of various school in the contest. यानी आपका जो विद्यालय है, स्कूल है, उसने एक प्रतियोगिता रखी है. प्रतियोगिता यानी कंप्यूटर क्विज रखा है आपके स्कूल में. तो यू आर अ मेंबर, आप क्या उसके सदस्य हैं क्विज क्लब के, और आपके टीचर ने आपको कहा है कि जो विभिन्न स्कूल आपके स्कूल में जो भागीदारी कर रहे हैं उनको इन्विटेशन लेटर बना के भेजना है. ओके, तो सो इन्विटेशन लेटर्स आर अवेलेबल इन लैब एक्टिविटी. ओके, देन आई विल create an invitation letter in main documents. Okay, you can see my invitation letter are ready. Okay, these are main document section, and I will create an invitation letter. You can see invitation letters are ready. So next step, one by one step follow in this lab activity. First step, title letter in main documents. Letters already ready in main documents, but do not type the merge field. Do not type the merge field. What is a merge field? These merge fields are name, address, pin, phone, etc. That is whatever you can put on this invitation letter. So, but you can see no merge fields are available in this invitation letter. But do not type the merge field. आपको कोई भी merge field टाइप नहीं करनी, जैसे मैंने यहाँ कोई भी merge field टाइप नहीं की. ओके, देन सेव द लेटर. फिर आपको क्या करना है, फाइल टैब में जाना है. देन क्लिक ऑन द फाइल टैब, click on the save button. This invitation letter, specify a name. Suppose I will take the invitation letter name. Then click on save button. Okay, this invitation letter already available, so I have changed the name. I will change these sections. Okay, I will change names and click on save button. So you can see these invitations save in the specific locations. Okay, that's our invitations. Documents are created in Microsoft Word. That's an invitation letter. Okay, then click on mailing tabs. You can see the mailing tabs are available in Microsoft Word. These are mailing tabs. Then you will select start mail merge options. Okay, then I will select these options. That's a drop down menus are in mail merge list. Okay, there's a number of options are available in start mail merge group. That's the start mail merge group, and there are many options are available in start mail merge group. Then you can click the step by step mail wizard. When you click on this step by step mail merge wizard, then you can see the mail merge task pane appears in right side. There's a mail merge task pane. And in this mail merge task panes, two sections are available. First section, that's in upper side, and second section, that's in below side. Okay, in this right panes, visa step you can follow one by one. That's are one of 6 visa steps. Okay, then choose a letter option under the selected document types. अभी फर्स्ट विजा स्टेप, दैट्स आर नेक्स्ट स्टार्टिंग डॉक्यूमेंट्स. ओके, आपको नेक्स्ट स्टार्टिंग डॉक्यूमेंट के ऊपर क्लिक करना है. बट इन दिस above side there's सेक्शन और सिलेक्ट डॉक्यूमेंट टाइप, आपको इसमें से कौन सा लेटर सिलेक्ट करना है। व्हाट टाइप ऑफ डॉक्यूमेंट आर यू वर्किंग ऑन, यानी आप कौन से डॉक्यूमेंट पे वर्किंग करना चाहते हो, ऐसा पूछ रहा है। तो यू कैन सिलेक्ट दिस letters are already default selected. Okay, then follow the visa step 1 of 6. Click on these sections, click on this step. Okay, then step 2 of 6 under select starting document. So how do you want to set up your letter? अभी वो पूछ रहा है कि आप लेटर का सेटअप कैसे कर रहे हैं। use the current documents, start from template, start from existing documents, यानी आप जो भी डॉक्यूमेंट स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं तो आप उसको सेटअप कैसा चाहिए आपको। then already default use the current documents. Okay, then these sections under the 2 of 6. Okay, then click on next step, next select recipient. Okay, that's the next select recipients under 2 of 6. You can see above side, these are select recipient section. There are many options are available. Use an existing list, select from Outlook contents, and type a new list. Then you can click on type a new list. Okay, in this type a new list, you can see there's a create options appears on a right pane. Okay, I will click on this type a new list. Then you can see the create options appears on the right pane. Okay, then click on create options. Then you can see the new address list dialog box appears on your computer screens. So you can see there's a many fields showing new address list. Okay, title, file name, first name, last name, company name, and etc. But all these fields not important to invitation letter. Then click on customize column button. There's many fields are available in customize address list. So this list you can modify to name, address, city, pin, and phone. The first title, you can customize this title to a name. First field are name, then click on rename buttons and rename title to a name. Then click on OK button. Okay, you can see the first field will create. Second fields are address. Then click on first name and first name rename to a address. Then click on OK button. Okay, third field last name, that's last name rename to a city, but you can see city already available in the customer address list. Then other remaining field you can delete, that's are not need to a invitation letter. You can delete one by one this field. Okay, then next pin, then click on state field and state rename to a pin. Okay, then click on OK button. Next field zip code, then again zip code rename to a phone. Okay. You can see 5 fields are create on this customized address list. Remaining field you can delete, that's not need for invitation letters. Only 5 fields are required. Delete. Okay, delete. Delete. So students, you can see that 5 fields are created in the customer address list. Then finally click on OK button. You will see that there's 5 fields are created in a new address list. Okay, then put record in these fields. Okay, so in this lab activity, there's enter records of your 10 classmate and click OK. But I will create only 5 student records, classmate records, but you will try to make a 10 classmate records. Okay, I will create only 5 classmate records. Okay, but you will try to make 10 classmate record. Okay, first name, second address, third city, fourth pin, and 5 phone. So the records one by one in these sections. Okay, so type the name. Okay, sure. This person address, put proper records in this new address list, because you can send the invitation letter to this person. So these invitation letters are received this person. So there's a proper address to put in this section. To this invitation letter sent to a person, neither not sent to this person. Okay, so then you can put proper address, proper city, proper pin number, proper phone number. Okay, first records create. Okay, you can see. Then next records you will create. Then click on new entry. Okay, there's a new entry options are available in new address list. When you will create a second record, then you will click on new entry. Okay, then type next. Only names यानी आप जो भी आपका जो भी एड्रेस है रिसिपिएंट का, आप इसमें पुट कर सकते हैं. जैसे मैं पुट कर रहा हूँ एड्रेस, डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ एड्रेस इनपुट. Again click on new entry. All fields are important to invitation letter. Okay, so then you can proper fill data in this address list. Okay, see I have created 3 classmate records. Again remaining 2 records are remain. record are created, last record are remain. Okay, so you can see 5 students records are ready. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 students. Okay, these are classmate records, but you will try to make of 10 classmate records. Okay, finally done these records and click on this OK button. Then you can see this dialog box appears on the screens. There's indication to a save address list. Okay, this you will make a address list. So this address list save to specific location. You to specify a name. Suppose I take a name invite. Okay, then click on save button. Okay, so you can see the mail merge recipient dialog box appears on your screens. That's before you will make a 5 classmate records. These 5 classmate records show on this mail merge recipients dialog box. Okay, suppose you want to send invitation letter to a specific classmate, then you can select only this person and remaining student you want to delete. Okay, suppose I want to send invitation letter only 3 classmate or a 3 person, then I will click on this name. Okay, suppose I want to send invitation letter only Ajay Mishra, Ramesh Sharma and Shiv Kumar. So then I will select only this name. Okay, I will select only these names. Okay, suppose you want to send invitation letter to a 4 person. So then we will click on 4 person or 4 classmate records. Okay, that's our records 4 person. That's address, city, phone, pin. Then you will select this 4 person or 4 classmate records. Okay, suppose you want to select all person. Suppose you want to send invitation letter to all person, all classmate. To select all record, I have select all records. Okay, then click on OK buttons. Okay, next visa steps 3 of 6. Okay, then click on next, write your letter. Okay, if you have not already done on you write your letters, but you can see these letters, invitation letter already done on this main documents. Okay, then click on mail merge fields. The mail merge field options are available in Microsoft Word. You can see there are 5 fields in this insert mail merge fields. Then you can put one by one mail merge fields in your invitation letter. Okay, suppose you want to select name and team. Okay, that's most important. First field you have enter. First field you will enter, then click on enter buttons, and you want to select city, then you take a city on invitation letter. Okay, but I want to take all records. Okay, so then I am select one by one field. Okay, enter, city, enter, team, enter. Okay, then phone. Okay, so you can see the mail merge fields. The mail merge fields enters this invitation letter. Okay, that's our mail merge fields. Okay, the 5 fields created. 5 fields are name, address, city, pin, phone. Then step 4 of 6, click on the next preview your letter. These preview results are available. Then you can see the fields data changed to a classmate record. Okay, Vijay Sharma, Ramnagar, Yawal. Okay, then you can see the you are put mail merge records on this invitation letter. So when you have click on this preview result, then your field change to a classmate record and change to or a specific specific person. Okay, that's our one classmate invitation letter, but you will create a five classmate invitation letter. Then click on merge and finish buttons. Okay, then in this finish and merge buttons you can click on edit individual documents. Okay, there are 3 options are available in this merge 2 documents. Okay, that's all, current record and forms, but you can select all. Okay, that's forms. What's classmates, which persons you want to send invitation letter, then type the number. Okay, which classmate, which person you want send invitation letter. Okay, then type a number. Suppose I have typed 2 to 4. This is 2 to 4. The 2 to 4 classmate or other person, then send invitation letter. Remaining person or classmate, that's not send invitation letter. Okay, I can select all tab. Okay, then click on OK button. Then you can see invitation letter are ready to a 5 classmate. Okay, you can see first Ajay Mishra invitation letter, second Vijay Sharma invitation letter, third Sharma invitation letter, fourth Suresh Kumar invitation letter, and fifth Shiv Kumar. Okay, the 5 classmate invitation letter are ready. Then click on close button. Okay, suppose you want print all classmates invitation letter, then click on finish and merge button. That's available print documents. Okay, so then In this print documents, click on finish merge buttons, then click on finish and merge button and click the print document options. There's a print document options from the drop down menu. There's a drop down menu. A merge to a print dialog box will appear. Okay, that's the dialog box appears on your screens. The give desired detail to print. The give desired data कि आपको कौन से क्लासमेट की प्रिंट चाहिए. सपोज 1 to 1 क्लासमेट की आपको प्रिंट चाहिए इन्विटेशन लेटर की, टाइप द लेटर. सपोज 3 क्लासमेट रिकॉर्ड की आपको प्रिंट चाहिए तो 1 to 3 ऐसे टाइप कर सकते हैं. सपोज यू वांट टू ऑल क्लासमेट इन्विटेशन लेटर, तो देन क्लिक ऑन ओके. ओके, a merge to a printer dialog box will appear. You desire detail to print and click OK. Now a printer dialog box will appear. You can see the print dialog box will appear. Then define the print setting. तो आपने इसको print की setting करनी है and click the print button. Then click on this print button. But at this time printer not available. Then click on cancel buttons. Okay. So these invitation letter create in this lab activity. So you can try to make a 10 classmate record and create an invitation letter. Okay, so this is how mail merge is used to sending the same letter at different address. तो हमने ऐसे सीखा कि कैसे आप मेल को मर्ज करके यानी उसका यूज करके सेम लेटर, दैट्स द सेम लेटर टू डिफरेंट एड्रेस पे सेंड कर सकते हैं. ओके, हम जैसे सेम लेटर हर एक क्लासमेट का एड्रेस अलग है तो उस हर एड्रेस में हुए एड्रेस पे आप इन्विटेशन लेटर सेंड कर सकते हैं. ओके, सो थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स.